basically what a short throw shifter does is it changes the fulcrum point. I've been really excited to get this in the car. You also need, let's get this old one off, 2 inches shorter than the standard gear stick. What's happening there, guys, and welcome to this video. Now today I'm really excited because I received in the post a new part for my car that I really need to get done before show season starts, and it's on my list. I got it, so we're going to do it. So what I received in the post today was a CFM short throw shifter. I got sent it by my friend Brett, and much appreciated, Brett, for sending me that out. I've wanted a short throw shifter in this car since I've had it. I've wanted one. Your options are try and find a CFM one, or get a Steeder one, or if you really wanted to, but I don't know how advisable it would be because I've never done it, you can chop down and weld the current shifting stick. So basically what a short throw shifter does is it changes the fulcrum point, so it will shift shorter. There's less travel in the gear stick. I'm so excited to get this fitted. So what we'll do is we'll go over to my garage and we'll get it fit. And I'll catch you guys when we get there. So this is what I picked up from Brett. As you can see, it's got a collar, which is that shaft, and then it's got the actual gear stick shaft goes into it. It is held in by 3 grub screws, so you can adjust the height, and it is shorter than on the standard one, so the throw would be shorter. I've been really excited to get this in the car, so that's that. But you also need a billet plate, and it also comes with 4 longer stud bolts, so you've got 4 of them as well. Right, along with the short shifter that Brett had sent me, he'd also sent me a replacement tower. They've got bushes on the bottom. So what we're going to do is we're going to throw it in the car really quick. I've been dying to get a short throw shifter for so long, and I'm so happy that I found one. Well, I'm so happy that Brett told me that he got one, and yeah, I can't wait to see what the difference is. Now, I've got to go work in about an hour and a half, so let's get on the car and let's get it fitted. Right, let's get this old one off. I know my car's an absolute tip. It always is. I still need to get it cleaned out. Right, let's get all this out and then we'll get the new one in. I need to remove the gear knob itself, which is a pain in the arse. But there's a put 17mm spanner on it. Get it off. Okay. Right, this is the shift assembly. We need to disconnect the cables. The cables just pop off the bottom. There we go. Pop both of them off. I'm going to take this plate out at the bottom, only because Brett sent me another one. There we go. One tower and shifter. Then this is the new tower I got from Brett. So that goes in there like that. Obviously I've still got to put the bracket on. So what we'll do is we'll get this set in place. So there's the new tower in place. Right, the tower's now in. The cables are now all connected. Just got to put that plate on there. And then that goes like so. We'll put these big studs in it. And then we're about done. Oh, bloody hell, that is short. Right, let's get it all tightened back up. Right, just got to plug up the button there. Wow, that is a lot shorter. Look how much shorter that looks. There we go, one short shifter fitted. I love this short throw shifter, and it's strange because it seems really short now, but it can go shorter. Like, it's adjustable, you can go higher or shorter, but even at its maximum height, even if you adjusted it all the way to the top, I think it's still 2 inches shorter than the standard gear stick, and even just that would make a difference. But this is lovely. It's so nice. It literally is. I thought I'd struggle with the armrest. I'm not going to lie, when I put the armrest in and then I got the short throw shifter, I thought I'm not going to be able to reach it from like a comfortable position, but it's still comfortable. The armrest is still going strong. Love the armrest. Best £15 you'll ever spend, I'm telling you. But short throw shifter will probably be the next best thing you could buy for this. It makes such a difference. And I can't believe that I got one for one. 2, it is the CFM one. And 3, Brett is an absolute legend for getting it to me. You just change gear. But this thing is fantastic. This is 3rd gear to 4th. It just literally, it's literally just that. It's so good. I'll leave a link down in the description where you can get a Steeder one, because that at the minute is the only one I know of. There is someone on the 170 owners who's talking about fabricating your actual gear stick, making it shorter. But if you like this video, hit the like button. Want to help the channel, hit the subscribe button. And as always, guys, I'll see you on the next one. And one last thing, buy yourself a short throw shifter. That and an armrest. A short throw shifter and an armrest is what you need in an ST170.